Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the second video of the React Native CLI overview. And in this video, I'll be taking you through setting up an Android application with React Native CLI. In the previous video, I went through setting up an iOS application with React Native CLI. So if you're interested in that, please do check that video out. So to get started with Android, we'll pretty much follow the same steps as in the previous video. Click on Get Started, environment setup, and then setting up the development environment. And then under React Native CLI, you select your development OS, and then target OS will be Android in this case. So first steps is the same, install Node and Watchman. And once you've got that, you need to install the Java development kit. So I'll go ahead and copy this command. And it says here, I already have this installed, but go ahead and install it, or you can reinstall by running brew reinstall. And once you've got that installed, click on the download and install Android Studio here. So go ahead and download and install Android Studio. So once you've got Android Studio downloaded, it says here, make sure that the following checkboxes are checked, which Android SDK platform, and Android virtual device. And then you can go ahead and click next. And then the next step is installing the Android SDK. To do this, open Android Studio. So it says Android Studio comes with Android SDK by default. However, React Native requires Android 10 SDK specifically. So let's go ahead and check if we've got that version here. So the steps here, it says open Android Studio and then click configure. Then SDK manager. And then the required version for React Native is this one here. So make sure that you've got that installed. And then the next step here is to configure the Android home environment variables. So if you're using ZSH, as I'm doing here, what you'll need to do is run this command here to open this. So let's just say open. And this will open your configuration file for your terminal here. And somewhere here, I should have my Android exports. Let's see. So as you can see here, I have my Android home configuration set up here. And if you're not using ZSH, instead you can open the .bash hrc or the .bash profile file, and then paste these in your configuration file. Then once you've got that done, you should be able to create your new application. So I'm going to copy this command and cd into my project. And run npx react native init and give it a project name. And then to set up our Android device or emulator, go back to Android Studio, again in configure, select Android or AVD manager. And here you can download a specific virtual device. I have the Pixel 3 set up, but if you want to set up a specific or different device from the one I have here, you can go ahead and click on Create Virtual Device, and then select your device from the options here. Okay, so the project setup is complete. Now to open the project in our Android Studio, what you'll want to do is head over to Android Studio and click on Open an Existing Project. And then we'll navigate to our project that we just set up now. And then open the Android folder. And it should take a moment to load everything. After everything has been loaded successfully, you should be able now to run your application in the emulator. Simply click on the run icon here. So it's currently building and it should open the emulator once that's done. And there you go. So we have the application running on our Android emulator here.